Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore different aspects of mental health and well-being. Today, we are going to discuss the difference between burnout and laziness and how to identify the signs of burnout. Burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion that is often caused by prolonged stress and overwork. On the other hand, laziness is a lack of motivation or effort to complete tasks. While burnout and laziness may seem similar, they are actually very different. So, how can you differentiate burnout from laziness? Here are 6 signs to look out for. Exhaustion. Burnout is often accompanied by feelings of exhaustion, both physical and mental. You may feel tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep. Lack of motivation. While laziness is a lack of motivation, burnout can also cause a lack of motivation. However, in the case of burnout, the lack of motivation is often due to feeling overwhelmed or burnt out. Decreased productivity. Burnout can also cause a decrease in productivity. You may find that it takes longer to complete tasks or that you make more mistakes than usual. Emotional distress. Burnout can cause emotional distress, such as feelings of anxiety, depression, and irritability. Physical symptoms. Burnout can also cause physical symptoms, such as headaches, stomach problems, and muscle tension. Lack of enjoyment. Burnout can cause you to lose interest in activities that you used to enjoy. This can be a sign that you are experiencing burnout and not just being lazy. If you are experiencing these signs, it's important to take action to prevent further burnout. This may include taking a break, delegating tasks, seeking support from friends or colleagues, and practicing self-care. In conclusion, burnout and laziness are very different, and it's important to be able to differentiate between the two. By understanding the signs of burnout, you can take action to prevent further exhaustion and improve your overall well-being. Thank you for watching this video on differentiating burnout from laziness. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into mental health and well-being.